I'd like to introduce to you our GE Profile Series French door with hands-free autofill, available in both stainless steel and our versatile slate finish. Hands-free autofill is an example of multitasking at its finest. Today, people are busier than ever before and appreciate things that help them effortlessly manage their day. Now, let's see how it works. Just place any container on the dispenser tray, press the autofill button, and walk away. Our hands-free autofill uses ultrasonic technology to detect the size of your glass, pot, pan, or any other item that you can fill up with water, and fill your glass up to 90% full every single time. Hands-free autofill is taking multitasking and convenience to the next level. In tandem with hands-free autofill, our advanced water filtration removes 98% of trace pharmaceuticals from water and ice and can lead to better quality water that can enhance your beverages and meal preparations. Now that we've told you about this incredible advanced dispenser, let's take a look inside. With options like a quick space shelf, gallon door bins, a drop-down shelf, and adjustable shelving, you can organize your way. Also, check out the full-width electronic temperature-controlled deli drawer with LED lighting. There are 3 accurate settings to deliver the optimal temperature for your favorite foods, while colored lights indicate the chosen setting. Twin chill evaporators keep fresh and frozen foods at their very best. The fresh food and freezer sections are calibrated to give different ingredients the perfect environment to keep foods fresh longer. 2 separate climates in the fresh food and freezer section help prevent odor transfer and freezer burn so food is fresh and lasts longer. Also, a generous amount of ice for entertaining or maximizing freezer storage can also be on a consumer's wish list. With the new IM5D additional ice maker option, consumers get the option of adding more ice production or having more storage flexibility. Made in America, this Energy Star GE Profile Series French door with hands-free autofill is loaded with innovation that will simplify daily life at home. Its beautiful design perfectly complements all of our GE Profile Series products and is designed to reflect the modern approach to style. Hands-free autofill is just another example of GE appliances bringing you the most advanced refrigerator dispensers in the appliance industry.
Panasonic's BX series comes in a stylish, full-flat, frameless design. An intelligent external touch panel gives control over the fridge settings externally for added convenience. The Fresh Safe keeps fruit and vegetables fresh and juicy for longer, as its large drawer-type design is airtight and locks in up to 90% humidity, preventing direct cooling and food spoilage. A key feature to the BX series is Prime Fresh, a switchable chill case that maintains produce at 0 degrees Celsius. You can also activate Prime Fresh to soft freeze food at approximately -3 degrees Celsius. Items can be kept longer without spoilage. Meat stored in Prime Fresh is easy to cut due to the firmness at this temperature, and the cellular structure won't be damaged, which can occur during freezing. The Prime Fresh function also helps to minimize odors from foods such as seafoods and cheeses. The BX series is available in silver or white and has the added convenience of a door-type bottom mount freezer.
Samsung Digital Inverter Twin Cooling Refrigerator. It features Twin Cooling Plus system, convertible 5-in-1, power cool and freeze, and cool pack. Its Twin Cooling Plus system provides ultimate freshness, with separate coolers for each compartment. The separate evaporators allow each compartment to maintain its ideal humidity and temperature. It includes 5 different modes, which are convertible with a simple push of a button, to suit your specific needs. Its Power Cool and Power Freeze rapidly delivers cold air to fast cool or freeze on demand at the touch of a button. Power Cool quickly chills food and drinks, while Power Freeze is great for firming up frozen food and making ice. There is a cool pack in the freezer to delay the rise in temperature during power cuts. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Twin Cooling Refrigerator.
cooks have finally found what they're looking for with the all-inspiring organization of the first ever 5-door refrigerator. Experience the luxury of 2 soft, self-closing drawers. The left temperature control drawer features 5 temperature presets for meats, cheeses, drinks, greens, thawing, and marinating. That means you have a customized environment for how you cook. Inside the right produce drawer, you'll find a produce preserver, which helps extend the life of commonly purchased fruits and vegetables. This keeps them fresh and right at your fingertips. This refrigerator also cares for your ingredients with the Preserva Food Care System. 2 independent cooling systems provide a dedicated refrigeration unit to help keep food fresher longer, and a separate system for frozen food. The Fresh Flow air filter helps minimize odors, while the 2 produce preservers help delay over-ripening. It even features a specially designed storage space that creates the ideal environment for herbs. And with LED lighting throughout, your ingredients will be beautifully lit so you can see your next bright idea. Get the refrigerator that has a place for every ingredient, including inspiration. This is how KitchenAid keeps it fresh.